Take a ride in the 2022 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: emergency braking preparation, stability control, tire pressure monitoring system, front stabilizer bar, power brakes, rear stabilizer bar, battery saver, braking assist, traction control, adaptive cruise control. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.